When you're over 60, the world expects you to slow down. But let me tell you a little secret. Wisdom doesn't slow down. In fact, it sharpens. With age comes clarity. And with clarity comes the ability to make better choices for your body, your time, and your home. Hi, I'm Dr. Susan Hartley. For over 30 years, I've worked with women just like you. Women entering the golden years of their life. Wiser, braver, and more powerful than ever. But one area we often neglect, believe it or not, is the way we clean. That's right, cleaning. Not the most glamorous topic, I know. But the truth is, how we clean our home at 60, 70, or 80 has a direct impact on our health, our safety, and even our independence. I've seen too many women suffer falls, develop chronic pain, or feel overwhelmed, all because of outdated cleaning habits. So today, I want to give you something practical, something powerful, something life-changing. This is not just a cleaning guide. It's a survival guide for smart, graceful aging. Let's begin. Let me tell you a story. A woman named Lillian came into my clinic a few years ago. She was 72, independent, full of life. But she had recently slipped while mopping her kitchen floor. It wasn't just a minor fall. It led to a fractured wrist, weeks of pain, and a lot of lost confidence. When I asked her what happened, she said something that stuck with me. "I've been cleaning the same way since I was 25. That sentence is exactly why I created this guide. Because the truth is, your cleaning style at 25 is not the right cleaning style at 65. So, let's change that. Let's make your home cleaner, safer, and better, without hurting your back, knees, or spirit. Step 1, start with the safety scan. Every woman over 60 should begin her cleaning journey with a safety scan of her home. This means walking slowly through each room and asking, are there cords, rugs, or clutter I might trip on? Are my cleaning supplies stored where I can reach them without bending or stretching? Is the lighting strong enough to see corners, steps, or spills? Why is this important? Because the #1 cause of injury in women over 60 is falling. Not heart disease, not strokes, it's falling. And most of those falls happen at home. So before we grab a broom or mop, we assess our battlefield. Use painter's tape to mark trouble zones. Once you see the risks, you can start to fix them. Step 2. Let's talk about tools. They matter more than you think. At 60 plus, your joints may be more sensitive. Your grip might not be as strong. So why are we still using heavy, awkward cleaning tools? Here's what I recommend. A lightweight cordless vacuum. No cords to trip over, no heavy parts to lift. An adjustable mop with a long handle, so you never have to bend or kneel. A grabber tool. Perfect for picking up objects from the floor or high shelves. Microfiber cloths. They clean better with less pressure and are gentle on your hands. A woman named Judy once told me, "Dr. Hartley, switching to an extendable duster changed my life. That's the power of the right tools." Step 3, the 15-minute rule. One of the worst things we do to ourselves as senior women is pushing too hard. You do not need to clean your entire house in one day. Say that out loud. You do not need to clean your entire house in one day. Instead, set a timer. Clean for 15 minutes. Then rest. Sit down. Drink water. Stretch your hands and back. Overdoing it causes muscle fatigue and increases the risk of injury. Cleaning in short, focused bursts keeps your body strong and your mind sharp. Step 4, elevate your daily routines. Some women tell me, "I don't have time to deep clean every week," and that's okay. But what if I told you that a cleaner, healthier home doesn't require a big cleaning day? Instead, build micro-cleaning habits into your everyday routine. Wipe the bathroom sink right after brushing your teeth. Rinse the shower with warm water after bathing. Take 30 seconds to sweep under the kitchen table after lunch. Clean while your tea is steeping. These little habits stack up. And suddenly, your home stays cleaner without even trying. Step 5. Avoid the most dangerous chemical mistake. Never mix bleach with ammonia-based cleaners. It creates a toxic gas that can seriously harm your lungs. Sadly, this mistake is more common than you think, especially among women who grew up thinking, the more powerful the cleaner, the better. But at 60 plus, your lungs are more sensitive, so stick to non-toxic cleaners when possible. Vinegar, baking soda, and lemon go a long way. Try plant-based sprays with essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus. They clean beautifully and lift your mood. Seat and lift. Step 6, protect your back every time. Cleaning often involves lifting, buckets, baskets, chairs. If you're bending with a rounded back or twisting as you lift, you're putting enormous strain on your spine. Always bend from the knees, not the waist. Keep objects close to your body when lifting. Never twist and lift at the same time. If it feels too heavy, ask for help. I've had patients who slipped a disc simply from lifting a mop bucket the wrong way. Step 7. Hot zones for germs and how to clean them smartly. Doorknobs, light switches, fridge handles, TV remotes, phones. These are the places germs love to hide, and the spots we touch the most. You don't need a full clean, just a quick disinfectant wipe once a day. Even better? Use alcohol-based wipes and do it during your favorite song. One verse, one wipe at a time. You'll finish before the chorus. Step 8. The Sunday reset. Pick one day a week, maybe Sunday, to do a simple 30-minute reset. Wipe kitchen counters, check for expired fridge items, empty trash, straighten your bedroom, fluff pillows. It's not about perfection, it's about peace of mind. Step 9. Declutter with wisdom, not guilt. We all keep things we no longer need, out of memory, out of fear, out of love. But clutter is not just messy, it's a hazard. Here's my rule. If you haven't touched it, worn it, or remembered it in 2 years, you probably don't need it. Pass it on to someone who does. You're not discarding, you're making room to breathe. Step 10. Make cleaning joyful again. Turn on your favorite music. Wear a bright apron, light a candle, open a window, talk to yourself, smile. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an act of love, for your body, for your space, for your peace. You've cared for children, husbands, parents. Now it's time to care for your own space with the same dignity and tenderness. Final words from Dr. Hartley. You're not just a woman over 60. You're a survivor, a guide, a healer, a force. And your home should reflect that, not through spotless floors, but through balance, safety, and light. You are not just wiping a surface. You are protecting your freedom. You are investing in your health. You are honoring your wisdom. Clean smart, clean slow, clean proud. This is your time. This is your space. And you're still growing beautifully.